how to use Google Lens on your iPhone. So for that you have to follow the simple step and watch the video till the end. So very first step is that you have to download the Google app. So you have to just go for the so you have to go for your Apple Store. On your Apple Store you have to search for the Google Lens here. So you have to look for the option of Google app here. So you have to install the Google app on your device. So you have to get the Google app on your device. Once you have the Google app on your device, so here you can find the Google app on your device. Once you are here on your Google app, you can find the Google Lens here. You can see that. Just go for your Google Lens. And here you can see the Google Lens on your device. So you have to capture an image here, and the Google Lens will scan that image and you will find the image and display relevant information here. So like this. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.